Think about this for a second. How many people would you call your true friends? 1, 2, or maybe none? If your friend count is low, there could be a couple of reasons. Either you want friends, but struggle to make them because you're not the life of the party, or you're just not that into socializing. But maybe, just maybe, it's because you're incredibly smart. According to psychologists at the London School of Economics, people with average IQs feel happier when they're with friends, but those with higher IQs, they're happiest alone. Even geniuses like APJ Abdul Kalam didn't have a lot of friends. It's not that they couldn't make friends, they just didn't feel the need to. Reason number 1. Spotting fake friends. Highly intelligent people can easily spot who's genuine and who's just hanging around for their own gain. Most of the people you meet in life, temporary, fake. Smart folks focus on quality over quantity in friendships. Reason number 2. Different mindsets. Friendships often start from common interests or shared experiences. But for smart people, their mindset is often miles apart from the average person's. They're not interested in small talk or the latest gossip. They're into ideas and perspectives that others might not even understand. Reason number 3. No FOMO. Fear of missing out? Not for smart people. They're not chasing trends or glued to social media. They're content with their own company, deeply focused on their personal goals and dreams. What others are doing doesn't bother them. Reason for a 4. Observant, not outgoing. The smartest person in the room. Often it's the one who's quietly observing, not the one talking the most. They're naturally curious, but they don't need to be the center of attention. This makes them great listeners, but not always the life of the party. Reason number 5. No drama. Smart people avoid drama like the plague. Their minds are busy with creative and critical thinking, and they don't have time for meaningless arguments. Less drama means a more peaceful life. Reason chapter 6. Enjoying aloneness. There's a difference between loneliness and aloneness. While loneliness is feeling isolated when you want to connect, aloneness is a choice. Many brilliant minds like Isaac Newton chose aloneness, not because they were antisocial, but because they found comfort and clarity in solitude. Reason number 7. Intimidating presence. Let's face it, smart people can be intimidating. Their knowledge and confidence can make others feel uncomfortable. You know that one kid in class who always has the right answer? Yeah, that's them. But it's not arrogance. It's just that they're operating on a different level. Reason number 8. Hard to understand. Being smart comes with its challenges, like not being easily understood. Albert Einstein faced this when he tried explaining his theories. Most people didn't get it and even called him crazy. But did that stop him? Nope. Reason number 9. No need for validation. Smart people don't need to prove their worth to anyone. While others might flaunt their achievements to build friendships, they're secure in who they are. They don't seek validation from others because they know their own strengths. Reason 10. Focused on goals. Lastly, smart people are driven by ambition and purpose, not by social approval. They're not chasing likes or compliments, they're chasing their dreams. And sometimes that means sacrificing a busy social life to focus on what really matters. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.